Alright, so I'm under the 2016 Dodge Ram, and I already drained the oil out. Right, it currently uses a 13 millimeter. Use a wrench or a socket to pull the plug out. Did that already. We got probably about 5 quarts of oil, because this oil pan only holds 7 quarts, so it might be less. But the filter is right up here. Let me see it. So I got my filter wrench. It's a strap filter wrench. Hyped up from Walmart. And I got the new filter here. So this is where the filter is at. Oh my God. No way, this filter was loose. Look at that. It's literally loose on there. And you can tell it's been leaking. But I'm going to go ahead and remove this filter. I can't believe it was loose on there. Oh crap. Okay. Oh, so much for that. Oh, man. That's the whole purpose of the cardboard. I wasn't trying to get my hands all dirty, but... it's probably going to fall off my hands, but... Oh my God. Oh, yeah, what a mess. What a mess. That was not supposed to happen. Well, anyways, we'll let that drain out. I'm gonna push it down real quick. Wipe my arms. It's full of oil. So yeah, we made a bit of a mess here. But as long as it's falling somewhere, it's not falling on the ground. This cardboard, it should soak it up. Let this drain out for just a little bit more. Now it's just dripping. And we'll go ahead and we're gonna put a little bit of oil on the. It's got this protective plastic on there, so we'll remove that off. Okay, it's hard to do this one-handed. Alright, we got that plastic off. We're going to put a little bit of oil just on that rubber seal, on the red rubber seal, just so that it doesn't stick. Don't gotta be new oil, but okay, just like that. And we'll put it back in through here, feed it back out, back in there. Man, that filter was really, really loose. All right. I'll get our filter wrench. Okay, put that right there. Sorry about the quality. But it's hard to do this one-handed. Alright, so that's on there pretty good. You see that? There you go. Alright, so now we'll let the cardboard soak in all that oil that's here. And we use this MicroGuard Select Extended Life. Part number is MSL 57060. It's supposed to be good for a synthetic blend oils. And so we'll go ahead and start filling in this pouring in this oil. Alright. Now let's look for that funnel. There's a funnel in the box. Oh, here it is. Funnel. Put that funnel right there. And then I'll get the oil. Oil right here. Alrighty. Okay. Oh crap. So we're using this Syntec. It's actually an O'Reilly's brand, I believe. It's a synthetic blend oil. Alright. And alright. So let's start pouring this oil in there. Alright, just like so. Take it slow. So like I said, it uses 7 quarts. So we'll pour in those first 5 quarts. And I know you see these coils up top. It's because I'm jumping from video to video. And right now I'm just doing the oil change video. And that's 5 quarts. Alright. Okay. This will be number 6 quarts. Oh. This is number 6. All right. Alrighty. This is number 7. Yeah, I'm just throwing everything on the floor. I'll pick it up right now in a little bit. And then this will be number 7. That's number 7. Alrighty. Now we'll pull the dipstick out. And then we'll clean it out first. Okay, so now it's clean. So there's a crosshatch right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to focus this thing on there. Anyways, you see the 2 little circles, but you got the top circle and the bottom circle. So the crosshatch, that's what it means it's fine. We'll stick this back in there. Check the oil level. And then it's just a little bit over, but I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. It still has to go through the filter, so once it goes to the filter, the little level will drop. Take that filter off. That's all over there. And then we'll replace the oil cap, if I could just find where I put it. Here it is. And then, voila. That's your oil change. I'm out.